Hey, just quick walk around tour on this vinyl top to show some real detail on it. No bubbling back here under the metal, but you can see it's real broken apart. But as you get up onto the roof, you see how there's all that dimpling, so probably quite a few rust holes under here. Here's one tear to kind of show what the metal looks like underneath. But I definitely poked my finger through a couple spots up here, so I'm not worried about doing a super proper job. You know, we could just Bondo up those holes and then carpet it. It doesn't have to last forever. But yeah, just kind of finish going around so you can see. Hopefully this cell phone picks up good detail. Gonna do a nice buff on the paint job and get all that sap off of there too and such. Get this thing kind of looking good. Is this car even worth putting a vinyl top? You know, probably not. And then so here's a look at the interior. The headliner is actually in excellent condition, but the seams, the stitching is dry rotted. So as we drove it home from Las Vegas, it started falling apart, and you can see definitely like some water, and it's probably getting back there, a little bit of mildew and such. But from what I'm told, all this molding is bolted from the inside, and same as these. So you have to, it's kind of a little bit of a specialty job doing this. Anyway, hopefully that video gives a little bit better idea of what the car looks like. I think she's worthy of a top, but I think it'd make a really cool video and people would definitely love to see it done. So, all right, cool.